I'm Dr. Ana Fatima, Senior Consultant Nephrologist at Methri Hospital. During each dialysis sessions, patients are exposed to 120 to 200 liters of water. So purity of the water is of utmost importance for safety of the patients. For that, we have come up with a unique design for RO plant, and RO plant was established even before the dialysis unit was started. So the RO plant has three parts: RO plant 1, 2, and the distribution system. RO plant 1 itself is a pre-treatment for our RO plant 2. Here we generate 4,000 liters per hour water, and the entire material is made of high-end quality material as per AAMI standards. From here, the water is pumped to RO plant 2. The RO plant 2 has also got a unique design in which we have two RO membranes which are arranged in parallel, and alternately, water moves from one RO membrane to other RO membrane after a fixed interval. So this arrangement prevents falling of the membranes and helps in better quality of the water. All these things are done to maintain the water purity, to prevent bacterial contamination as well as chemical contamination. From these RO membranes, then the water passes through a series of filters: multimedia filter, micro cartridge filter, and UV filters. And the unique part of the plant is we have completely taken away carbon filters and ion exchangers. Carbon filters are meant to trap the chlorine, but these carbon filters, they house the bacteria. So for that, we have removed the carbon filters, and ion exchangers, they take calcium and magnesium from the water, they reduce the hardness. But in any incident happens, these chemicals may leach into the water, they may foul the membranes, and they may enter the water and ultimately into the patient's body. For that, these two things have been removed, and we have come up with this new RO plant. The distribution system has also been given equal importance. The entire distribution system is made of PEX pipes. This is not PVC or CPVC. The material is flexible, it is soft, in which there is no water stagnation. And the inner surface of this PEX pipe is made of inert material. It doesn't react to chemicals which are used for sanitization of the distribution system. Another part of this distribution system is it is a closed loop system. We don't have storage tank once the product water is formed. The water continuously moves 24/7 in this loop system. This prevents the water stagnation. And in the dialysis unit, we continuously monitor our patients during the dialysis sessions. Our infectious disease team closely monitors the work of our technical team, and we maintain the water quality reports which are done periodically for microbiological and chemical analysis. We have a separate isolated hepatitis B machine dedicated for the positive patients. And last but not the least, the services of all these things have been maintained at an affordable price for the patients, because this is a chronic therapy and patients can avail the services again and again. I thank all our patients and their families from the Nephro team for the trust they have placed in us. Thank you.